Well, I'm planting spinach today that I germinated 2 weeks ago, and it's ready to go into the channels. How nice these guys look. And if you grow hydroponically, spinach is one of the hardest seeds to get to germinate. And I have a hydrogen peroxide method that I use. And I'll put a link down below of the video that I did about it. It goes step by step because you don't want to waste your seeds or your growing medium. It really makes a big difference. Like, look how pretty those guys are, and the roots are all on the bottom. And I'll be able to harvest off of these plants, cut and come again for at least 5-6 weeks. I like using the Oasis cubes. It's so easy. Just pull them apart and they fit perfectly in the channel. You don't have to smush them down in because you want to make sure that your growing medium hits the bottom of the channel. These guys are intertwined a little bit. And then when you go to put your spaghetti tube in, if you ever have any issues and the water's not coming out good, this is the best thing to use. This canned air, you just stick it in the spaghetti tube and it just clears everything out.